Alrighty, so for this video, I've got a little surprise for all y'all, and I'm pretty excited about it. Should I do the reveal? Should I do it? Oh, look at it, man. I got myself a 2022 Honda Grom, dude. The sickest little fucking thing in the world. It's a little clapped out, you know. I had to put the old Pro Taper grips on there. That's just a necessity. Some moto stuff, you know. Bought it salvage title, not too expensive. It's definitely got some work that needs to be done. One of the most obvious things was this back left rear set is literally hanging on by zip ties, and like maybe that little back plate is doing something. I don't know. So that's a little sketch. I'm not gonna show you the license plate, but you can kind of see. License plate right now is held on by zip ties, just temporarily, because I have a legit license plate holder on order. So that'll show up at some point. There's some scrapes on the exhaust side too, but it's all stuff that's, you know, whatever. I did a little tune-up on it, you know, fresh oil, new spark plug, cleaned and lubed the chain. The only thing that I've been just having issues with is this fucking clutch. It's only got 2,000 miles on it, but man, oh man, I just feel the more I experiment with it, I honestly feel like it, wow, and that's actually pretty loose. I probably should have tightened that before I went out. I was just so excited. I got it registered and insured literally as of today. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go on a ride. But, man, within 2,000 miles, if they had roasted the clutch, that's pretty gnarly, dudes. Maybe it's just a matter of it sitting for so long that, you know, the clutch plates get stuck together. It's kind of releasing. Oh my gosh, so much fun. That lady was pissed. Oh my god. You just can't be mad at someone on a fucking mini bike, am I right? I love that it has a little shift indicator on it too. Like, it's just so fucking funny to me. And I just love hitting these speed bumps honestly have been my jam lately, dude. Oh my god. Look at that, dude. Did I hit a fucking little rev limiter on one of them? Dude, I swear to God, I picked this thing up and like literally the most fucking fun I've had on a bike in a minute. I mean, the 600 is awesome. Don't get me wrong, I love my 600, my high performance sport bikes, but this is fucking too much fun, bro. It's criminal how much fun this is. Cause then you can just do dumb shit like this, man. I love this. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Nothing's sick, what is that?
Oh, it's a little Honda Grom. Thank you. Yeah, it's just so much fun. I love this kind of stuff, man. This little off-road trail. Hi. A little off-road trail there. A little off-road Grom, maybe. Oh, I could go over there. The old stomping grounds, dude. Oh my god, I gotta cover my face at least. I can tell. Oh, I can't get in that way. Can't get in that way. This is fucking too much fun, dude. Oh, I'm sneaking around, boys. I'm sneaking around. Oh, this is too much. Gotta be careful though. If there's a fucking cop, then I'm fucked. Looking for cops, looking for cops. I gotta get out of here, man. Dude, no fucking way. I'm pretty sure the fucking clutch is blasted on this thing, dude. The fun shit is just trying to see like the places you could sneak in with it. Oh my god, this is so fucking comical. This is so fucking comical. Yeah, grown man on a mini bike. You gotta love it, dude. I am hungry though. I do want to get some food somewhere. Oh, we got a baseball game going on? What's going on? Yeah, I'm pretty sure the clutch is like roasted. Like the springs are just... What are you doing, lady? The springs are just like totally fucking roasted. There's so many people who just like don't give a fuck too. That's what's so funny about this shit. Cracks me up, dude. I'm gonna clear this. Dude, and like the little doggy. We're gonna have to see though. Getting up to speed is the sketchiest part. And I definitely feel like the clutch is for sure slipping, bro. This might be fucking max speed right here. With a partially slipping clutch. I feel like this, I used WD-40 to get this fucking, like this, everything about this bike is just jank, dude. I used WD-40 to actually get the grips on here. Or at least on this one, because I didn't want to damage the throttle tube. But dude, like this fucking thing, I mean, I kind of even stripped it a little bit, but I tried to fucking take it off, like do it legit, and it just the fucking bar end just wouldn't come off, man. Things like rusted shut. So I couldn't do that. So I was like, well, maybe I could fucking force it on there, and it ended up working. All I know is speed bumps are jumps now. That was a good one. Limiter time? Oh, limiter action? What's over here? Oh, can't go over there. Akira, stop. Oh, baby! It's such a little... the perfect little piece of shit. It's so incognito, dude, and it's got that stealth black. I nicknamed it the Imp because it's just this little bundle of demonic energy. This thing is more fun than I thought it would ever be. I plan on doing a clutch rebuild. I know there's some higher spec options out there, so I think I'm gonna end up going with something pretty beefy. Just because I do want to wheelie it. Unfortunately, I can't do wheelies because there's just, like, the clutch is barely fucking grabbing, man. I'm probably just further roasting the shit out of it. Little rider. But, like, no one even cares, man. I love it. No one gives a flying fuck that you're on this thing. It's street legal, but definitely not where you're supposed to be. Can I do a little Brody here? No one's around. I think I did I don't know. No, it's slipping. That's all that is. It's just slippage. Just straight slippage, bro. Pretty sure there's a technical little pathway down here, maybe. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this is fucking trials, baby. All trials. Ooh, look at the STI. Fucking white collar pussies. Fuck you guys. Oh, dude. Oh, if only I had a fucking CRF or something. Yo. Oh my god, I guess my leg strength is just more than this poor little plastic could handle. I guess my dang old fucking knee caved this thing in, bro. Oh shit. Do we do it? Do we do it? Fuck yeah, we do it. What's over here? I think we got Chipotle, maybe? We got something. Dude, when I replace the clutch, all these spots are about to be fucking terrorized, bro. Every last one of them. Oh, that was silky, dude. Little silky downshift, little silky DS, you know? Still got my license plate, right? Yeah, it's still there. It's still there. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. I'm hungry. I'm thinking Chipotle is the fucking move. We're gonna park right here. Yeah, that's where we're gonna park. This is just a menace. It's just a menace to society, and I fucking love it.